back to school, which means back to dorm room meals. Exactly. And most dorm rooms only have a microwave, if that. So today we're gonna prepare some microwave meals, and you'll see appetizer, entree, and dessert. We got you. If you want to surprise that special someone and have a beautiful 3-course meal, keep watching.
First up is mango sticky rice. Our suggestions would be to make the dessert first so that you can cool it in the fridge. Microwave the instant sticky rice. And cut up the mangoes to bite-sized pieces. Display them as you prefer, and make sure to drizzle lots of condensed milk over the whole plate. Next is the shrimp and mixed vegetables with udon. First, we defrost the shrimp in the microwave and run it through cold water to get rid of the ice. Then we marinate the shrimp and cover it with saran wrap and microwave it again until it's fully cooked. For the shrimp, we flavored it with butter, Shaoxing wine, black pepper, soy sauce, and garlic powder. The saran wrap and microwave method we will use with other foods throughout the video. Microwave the shrimp until it's a bright orange color. For the frozen vegetables, we used the same method to microwave, added some soy sauce, pepper, and garlic powder. Udon is up next. We used the leftover sauce from the shrimp to marinate the udon. We added a bit more water to cover the base of the udon, and you guessed it, we saran wrapped it and popped it into the microwave. Last but not least is the appetizer. We used 2 eggs, a bit of dashi powder, and some water to beat into a light and fluffy egg. We suggest microwaving it 30 seconds at a time and checking on its fluidity. If it becomes more solid, you can take it out of the microwave and let it sit at room temperature so it solidifies fully. Add some black pepper, sesame oil, and green onions, and it's ready to eat.
So for our first dish, we have the steamed egg.
Let's dig in. Oh,
Ooh.
very nicely cooked.
It's very custardy.
It's still very soft, flavorful, even just with the topping.
10 out of 10.
Yo, and this was so easy to make too.
All right, right into the next one.
Okay, so it's udon with shrimp and mixed frozen vegetables.
Go in with the shrimp first.
I'll do some veg.
Do you usually eat the shell?
I do. Vegetables are not overcooked or soggy.
Shrimp is very well marinated, so much flavor, and it was so easy.
And then the udon goes well with the sauces because it's a bit more plain, but still we reuse the shrimp sauce in it.
I think the udon itself has that vinegary taste that I kind of don't like.
When I do udon at home, I tend to like boil them twice to get rid of that flavor and then sauce it up. Moving on to desserts.
I'm just gonna use my chopsticks.
I will use my spoon. We were surprised about this instant sticky rice because sticky rice, the description of it was sticky rice, but then the
fine print
was just like white rice, and we were surprised. It actually turned out quite well.
It actually does have that chewiness too.
10 out of 10 would do this again. And if you want more recipes like this, hit the subscribe button, comment down below.
And with that,
We'll be back next time. Bye guys.